What's up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to replace a hard drive in a MacBook Pro I purchased around mid-2012. The hard drive we're going to replace the stock one with is the Seagate Laptop SSHD, which is an internal solid-state hybrid drive. It's 1 terabyte, and you could use this for a Mac or you could use this for a PC as well too. So it will apply to either operating systems. You want to remove all the hardware from the back of the computer or the cover. Take special care not to lose this hardware. It's very small, very delicate. If you drop it on the floor, it could get away from you pretty quick. So be real careful. As you can see, I'm taking special care to lay each screw adjacent from the hole it came out of. You're going to need some precision tools in this job. Like I said, the hardware is very small, so you're going to need computer tools, not so much a typical Phillips head, but the precision style tools. Once you get the cover off, as you're going through this, guys, go ahead and get a can of air or some rags and get all the dust and dirt you might be able to find in your machine out. Alright, so now that the cover's off, what we're going to do is we're going to take out the brand new hard drive. Make sure that it matches and fits directly with the hard drive you're replacing. Okay, now getting the hard drive out, there are 2 mounting brackets that hold the hard drive in place and stable. There's 2 screws on the inside there that you take out, and that will allow the hard drive to flip out of its location. Once you got the bracket off, just pull the tab on the stock hard drive. And as you can see, it comes right out. Now take special care here. You want to unplug the data strip from the hard drive. It shouldn't be too difficult. It pretty much slides right out. Now on the side of the hard drive are these 4 bolts. And these little screws or little bolts fit in the stabilizer brackets on each side. So you want to take those screws out of the old hard drive and install them on the new hard drive. That will ensure that the hard drive doesn't flop around and stays in place. Then just plug the data strip into the new hard drive and it should fit like a glove. Once you've got the hard drive in place, reinstall the mounting bracket. And that's basically it, guys. Just put the cover back on. Be real careful to put the screws on. You can use some Loctite on the screws to keep them in place. You don't want to tighten them down too tight. And the install is complete. Thanks for checking out this video. This is only half of the installation or the replacement process. The other half of the process, you have to format your new hard drive and you have to install the current operating system, so the current OS. This is really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it in part 2. Thanks for checking out the video. Have a great day.